What is going on, fellow nerds? B-Man in here, aka Nerdy Nation Collectibles. Here today we have 4 Burning Shadows Sun and Moon booster packs. Bought these at GameStop for buy one get one free. That's the promotion they have currently at the moment. Not quite sure when this is the last day for the promotion, but I hope you guys went and got your Pokemon trading card goods, because you can't really beat buy one get one free. You're basically paying $2 a pack. That's really cheap. However, we got 3 Marshadow pack arts of the poster, blister pack, whatever you want to call them, card, box, sleeve, and then we got Necrozma right here. Of course, trying to get that hyper rare, rainbow rare Charizard, so let's see if we will get lucky. Alright, so we're gonna leave Necrozma second to last. We'll leave that one. Well, actually, let's make those two the last two. We'll open these two first. See if we get lucky. Fingers crossed. Oh, look at that, Marshadow and Marshadow. And as you can see in the back, we have some tins that I've opened in previous videos. Feel free to go check those out to see what kind of pulls I got in those particular tins. Hope everyone's having an awesome holiday so far. Code card. And the energy I'm going to guess is water. Alright, we got Leaf Energy, Semi-Sage, Whirlipede, Guzma. Guzma is a great pull, in my opinion. The card is worth a good amount of value. I will put that in a sleeve in just a moment. Pansear, Cutiefly, Panpour, Pikachu, Krogunk. Oh, a Wick Reverse Hollow. Love Wick. I have the full art of this and I love it. And a Beware is the non-hollow rare. Let me go get a sleeve out of this thing here. Alright, and what a better way to sleeve these up with Burning Shadow sleeves. Let's put this Guzma in a sleeve. Keep it protected. There you go. Sweet and sweet. We'll put that wick back there as well. If we could just stand up. Alright. Moving on now. We got another Marshadow pack. Let's see if the actual pack itself will. Oh! It's a Ho-Oh! Alright. Ho-Oh pack. Let's see what we shall get. There is the code card. And I'm going to guess fire. Oh, fighting. Got a lot of fighting energies, huh? Fighting energy. Wishful Baton. Mount Lanakila. Another wick, thick wick. Awesome. Pansear, Pikachu, Krogunk, Magikarp, Meowth, Kiawe Reverse Hollow, and a Meowstic non-hollow rare. Alright. Moving on to Necrozma. So far, no good pulls, just except for the Guzma, obviously, and the Wick, Reverse Hollow Wick. We got a Tapu Fini pack right here. Let's see. Code card. I'm gonna guess Psychic. Yay, we got the Guesty Energy. Right. Seadra. Wobbuffet. Another Wick. Ooh, a Wick in every pack. Crabrawler. Charmander. Sneasel. Alolan Grammar, Ralts, and a reverse hollow Rhyperior, which is a rare. Nice. And a Azumarill. Okay. Let's see if we can get some last pack magic here, guys. Last pack magic go. Got another Ho-Oh pack art inside of the Marshadow box cardboard hanger thingamajigger. Alright, let's see if we can pull anything good in these packs. Alright, so there you have it, another code card. I'm gonna guess Leaf. Oh dang, I was thinking lightning, but I just went with Leaf. I don't know why. So anyway, another Guzma! Yay! Guzma. Let's get another pack sleeve for this. Guzmas are a win in my opinion. So there you have it, 2 Guzmas. Alright, Super Scoop Up. Plumeria. Esper. Padsage. Marill. Charmander. Oddish. Sea Viper with the reverse hollow. And a Turtonator non-hollow rare. Alright, well. Let's go over these pulls. So we got the reverse, the non-hollow Turtonator. We got the Azumarill rare, non-hollow rare. We got the Meowstic, the Beware. We got the Sea Viper reverse hollow. The Rhyperior rare, reverse hollow. The Kiawe reverse. The Wick, Thick Wick reverse. And 2 Guzmas. So, pretty much these 2 Guzmas, the reverse hollow Thick Wick, and the regular non-hollow reverse hollow Thick Wicks, I would say are the highlight of this opening. If you guys like this video, please leave a like. Leave a comment if you agree, if this was a pretty decent pull for 4 Burning Shadow packs. And if you guys picked up anything from the BOGO promotion that they got over at GameStop, let me know. Let me know what you guys pulled. Subscriptions, always appreciated. Until next time, stay nerdy, stay weird, and may the pulls be with you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Later!